Hello, this video is to show you how to install Portara Downloader. So you will receive an email with a link which allows you to download this zip file here, and then when the zip is on your desktop, if you just double click the zip file, and that has opened off screen, so we'll just resize that in, and you don't have to drag it out of the zip file, but if you just double click there on setup.exe like I've just done, and the installer will open and will give you a screen like this. It may install the local .NET packages that you need for Portara. In that case, just follow the instructions and eventually you'll come to this window. If you click next and agree to the terms and conditions, and then into next again and next again, Portara will install, and the installation will go to your C drive, and you can't change that. It needs to be in your C drive for the installation. For your databases, you can choose later on where you wish to have your data installed. And once Portara installed, just click close and you get rid of this window now. When the package has been installed, you're going to see this Portara Downloader blue icon on your desktop. So what you need to do is to double click that, and the Portara Downloader package will open, and it's going to present you with this welcome create login screen. So make sure you put in a valid email, because you'll be verifying that in a minute, a username that suits, and a password. And then what you want to do is press create. Now what will happen is you will be emailed a validation link to click on, so make sure you leave this welcome screen open in the meantime, and then once the validation has been successfully clicked on in your email, you can come back to this screen and leave all the settings as they are and just press login. Once you log in, your software will look similar to this. It won't be exactly the same as this because the setup at the back end needs to be done. So simply close Portara and email us back to say that the first stage of the installation is complete, and we will set up the back end and send you further instructions of how to go forward and use the system. Okay, thank you.